Hi, welcome to our second video in our series for installing and downloading Autodesk products for the 2013-2014 academic year at NBCC. In this video we're going to download the products that we're going to use, and we'll get started by just going down and opening up Internet Explorer here. And we're going to go to students.autodesk.com. Once we're there, we're going to go and click the login. We're going to log in with the user ID that we created in the previous video we registered for, and that's our Gmail address, which was mbcc.moncton.student@gmail.com. You can use whatever email address you wish, whether you had one for a long time or you decide to create a new one when you come to school. That's fine. It can be anything. So we're going to go ahead and sign in. If you haven't done that yet, you should start with the registration video. Okay, so we're signed in. So we're going to go ahead and move over and click the Free Software tab. Under Free Software, we're going to scroll down and we're going to find Autodesk AutoCAD. For this video we're going to use AutoCAD because it's the primary software program you will use. You may download other products, but this is a good example of how to do it. So we're going to take 2013, we're going to take language English, and operating system. It can be a little tricky, 32-bit or 64-bit. What I do on most machines is you go down, you click the Start button, right-click on My Computer or Computer, and click Properties. In there you'll see System Type, and you can see here we have a 64-bit operating system. So for this machine, we're going to go ahead and close this window, and we're going to select 64-bit OS. And we're going to click Next. From here you can see we have a button that says Install Now, and also we have our serial number and product key. You'll need this number when you install your products, and it also should be emailed to you. I'm going to change the button to Download Now because I prefer to keep a copy of it on my computer rather. You can choose either way. It's just if you have to redo your computer, you may lose those files and you have to re-download them at a different time, and it takes time. It's better to keep a copy if you have the space. What we're doing now is we're installing the Autodesk Download Manager. You can see I just clicked yes to that and run, and that downloads in the background and it's going to set up for us. The advantages of using the Download Manager as opposed to the web browser download is you can pause your downloads. You can it's much more reliable. If your connection happens to drop, if you're on wireless, it'll maintain where it was, and you're better off to use this product. So I would recommend it. We're just going to wait for it to finish up, and then we'll keep going with the video. I also should note that I've time-lapsed some of this. Once the Download Manager starts, I have it time-lapsed so that we'll skip ahead in time. It takes about roughly 10 minutes to download a product. So we're going to agree and go ahead and install this product. I've also noticed with the Autodesk AutoCAD itself, it reads as being 1.04 gigs in the Download Manager, but it's actually greater than that. It's around 3 gigs that you're downloading. So just be aware that your white bar is going to fill up, and it's going to look like you should be done, but it's not. It's still downloading data. Just let it go. It'll finish up on its own. You'll be okay. So we're going ahead. We're almost installed with the Download Manager. When it's complete, the first thing you're going to see is it's going to give us an option to choose where we want to save our downloads. I would recommend keeping the default save location at C Autodesk. That way you know where it is. You don't have to change it. You can if you wish, but for my own purposes, I like to keep the default location. So I'm going to go with that, and I'm just going to click OK. And you can see that my product has started to download. There's a pause button you can see on the the right hand side, and a folder button, which I'm assuming I could open the folder from there. I have not tried that. So I time-lapsed that, and now it's pretty much done. You're going to see once it's finished, you have the install button. You can start right from there. I'm not going to do that for the purpose of this video, because I want to do a separate video of installing the product, and I'll just open that manually. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to just clear this download out of my history by pressing the little X up in the top right hand corner, and basically we're done with this part. So I hope that's been helpful. I hope that it enables you to download your products, and yeah, if there's any questions you can always use this. Thank you and have a good day.